Now you can rotate this table vertically in your Microsoft Word. If you do, this video is for you. On the left hand side there is a table. Now what you'll have to do is tap on this 4 icons right here. Now tap on it and your whole table will get selected. Now we'll just copy this table, and after we've copied this table, just go to the insert section right here. Tap on insert and right here you will see a text box. Tap on text box and it will expand like this. Now right here tap on draw text box, and after you tap on it, just make a space for your table. Now like this, make sure that you make enough space for it, and after you do that, you can just copy paste what we have done earlier, use Ctrl V, and there you go, we have a table right there. Now you can change this color as you wish later on, and now what you'll have to do is just see this circle like looking arrow. Just tap on this and you can rotate your table now. Now as you can see, I've just made this table horizontal to vertical, and you can just turn this again more if you want to. You can rotate it and set it to an angle that you want, and after you do that, that is basically it. That is how you rotate a table in your Microsoft Word. And that is all for the video too, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more coming videos, and bye bye.